are back for the 12th vlog.
Yeah.
There's a reason why the hat is on.
Yeah.
You might have seen it in the shorts actually, and it's gonna be mentioned in another next video as well, but we have reached 1,000 subs. That's insane. I thought it was gonna take way longer, because I know that it takes a while to grow a new channel on YouTube, but then 1,000 subs.
Thank you.
As well. Thanks you. Thanks you.
Thanks you.
Thanks you.
Yeah.
No, but thank you a lot. That is so much appreciated. We're gonna try and create way better content with time, of course. We're just trying to improve video after video. But thank you so much for having the patience with us. We want to do way more than just the vlogs and the style videos with time, but we got to start somewhere, and it feels like a great start. You want to add anything to that, or?
I'm just happy. In this week's vlog, we are going to Oslo Runway.
Yes, correct.
We're attending...
So we're recording this after the fact.
Yeah.
Obviously.
We went to
Oslo Runway.
Oslo Runway.
Yeah.
We went to 2 shows.
One of the shows were not like an invited thing. That was everyone could buy tickets. But the second one, we were actually invited, which was cool because of the content. We got to sit front row as well, which was fun.
Like a fashion queen.
But it was fun, yeah.
You're gonna come with us, of course. We also went to a cafe. We did I did some major shopping. My wallet is still hurting a bit, but that's okay.
Yeah. Enjoy the show.
Yeah.
Back to the studio. After the Sunday market, we went to Veloria Vintage. It is pretty much the closest vintage store to the market. They're very focused on band merchandise, but also a lot of boots. So I tried on these snakeskin shoes. They were unfortunately quite a bit too small for me, so they were definitely a no-go. I also tried on this cardigan that definitely didn't fit me either. And Lovisa tried on something knitted that didn't really fit at all either. And then she found this blue cashmere sweater that is almost cobalt blue, so she just had to get it.
After our trip to Veloria Vintage, we went to another store. It's called Ensemble. They do have a lot of tailoring and suits. I'm a big fan of suits. I do have a lot of suit pants at home, also a lot of blazers. They do carry Mark Henley Domino Tan. Ivor also has 2 pair of pants, so we're definitely a big fan. And I had to try on this suit from them. It's wool, and it was just absolutely stunning. It was on 65% off, so I did justify getting it. As you can see on my face here, I'm not happy about it. And then we met this dog. She was super cute. And we also met this other dog. He was also cute. And that's about it.
Your hair changes throughout the show, throughout the different shoots, yeah? When will you wear wigs?
Hello from the rain. We're going to one of the best coffee shops in Oslo. We've never been there before, but I'm gonna try something that's called Cafe Alfredo, and you're gonna see what it is.
And I have been lured into the rain as a companion. I wanted to stay inside. I actually have work to do, but now here we are. And I have fucked up my hair, so I'm sad.
It's okay.
That's why I'm wearing a hat and a hoodie. Or a hat and a hood. And it is what it is. I might buzz my hair. We'll see.
Let's go! hello. Hello. We're going to Oslo Runway and we're going to event at Munch Museum. At Munch Museum. And we're gonna see 1313 Selah.
1313 Selah.
Yeah.
Norway's at the moment very much the most exciting brand, like by a landslide. I have a hoodie from them and I have been wanting a couple of other pieces. Really cool stuff. And they're gonna have a new show today with an artist that is like one of Norway's biggest as well, Arif.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be really cool. They're gonna show the new collection. He's gonna do, I'm guessing he's gonna perform. They're showing a lot of new photographs as well by a friend of mine, which is absolutely sick.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's gonna be a great night. Yeah,
You were gonna come with us.
We're gonna go eat first.
Yeah.
Jeg er ikke redd for døden lenger, men jeg har respekt for den. Jeg kan ikke være redd for noe jeg ikke vet hva er. Kjærlighet fra våre mødre har gjort oss til de vi er. Jeg ser tilbake på et liv, rød saft blandet med
So, we're done with the show, or we're done at the show. It was absolutely incredible. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it was
That's an
super
insane
cool.
light, by the way. But
Yeah,
yeah,
it
it's the
looked
coolest.
old.
It's the coolest thing I've seen in Norway when it comes to runway shows, for sure.
Yeah,
Even
the models, the music.
Yeah,
It
it was
super
like a
cool.
cultural moment, which
Yeah.
was cool. We're going to another show on Thursday. A lot less, or a lot more toned down for sure.
Yeah.
But that was actually an invite because of these videos, which is cool. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I'm wearing pretty much full Begones apart from the vintage t-shirt, Dirt Cooper jeans. The pants are the Dirt Coopers, the shoes are the Cyclopses, and the jacket is the Jumbo Peter bomber jacket.
I'm wearing this jacket from Armani. It's from the 90s. Super big, oversized. My Acne Mickey Mouse shoes, Acne purse, just a black top, and some linen pants from Ivy. It's Fashion Week Day 4. We're going to
Daniel Sneid. He has his debut collection showing today. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
It's very far away from like our style, but it's gonna be cool. It's always fun to go to shows.
That is. Let's go. It's the last day of Fashion Week and we're going out. We're going to a friend of ours.
He's the friend that I did the video and styling project with before his exam, which you might have seen in an earlier vlog. And yeah, he has like a stand today showing his clothing. It's probably a bit more low-key than the other ones, but it's gonna be fun.
And because it's low-key, we're both wearing
Low-key.
kind of low-key outfits as well. Yeah. So I'm just wearing a plain t-shirt, my Acne pants, and some new boots that I got. And they're super cool, if you can see the locking system on them. And I'm also pairing it with, where is it? Where's my bag? Hello? Oh, there it is. And I'm also pairing it with my new suede bag.
I'm wearing the Margiela Tabbies on feet. Acne Studios Stone Black Twill trousers, even though they are definitely not black, just what they're called.
Yeah.
And then I'm wearing the Rick Owens basic rib tank, the dust one, the almost like brown dust colored one, the wallet chain that looks like a Chrome Arts one, and then the Ives jacket from Selah. I love the way it fits with these pants, especially from the side.
Yeah.
Very cool.
It does. Let's go. Nu då.
The fashion market was pretty good, but the prices were ridiculous when it comes to vintage. I could have easily bought secondhand Rick Owens for those prices. At the market though, we did meet a friend of mine, Anders. He had a stand there. I did some videography and styling work for him before he did his fashion show. You might have seen that in a previous vlog. Some of his friends from school did also have a stand there, and they had some pretty cool clothes. And yeah, it was overall a fun time. So, I'm buzzing my hair. I wasn't too happy when I got my last haircut, and I wanted to try something completely new, and I think the buzz cut will at least suit my style. I haven't had a buzz cut since 2020, and I was a little higher in body fat at the time, so I don't actually know exactly how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, let's begin. Now there's no way back. So the reason why I'm doing it is I want something new. I think it's gonna work well with my style. We'll see how it turns out. It's definitely a gamble. I'm actually nervous. This is very strange because I'm very much like attached to my hair, like you may have noticed. And it's definitely a huge change from the long hair that I just had. But it's hopefully gonna be an improvement. I can't see.
That way.
Okay. I can't see anything right now. I actually want to keep the reveal to when it's all done. You had to shave horses, right?
Yeah, I did it every year.
She grew up with a lot of horses, and she had to shave them, and it takes like several hours apparently.
Yeah, it does. And the horses is not standing still like you are, so you have to be aware of that as well.
Yeah, true. I haven't seen myself yet, but here we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's short. It's actually better than I thought, like lengthwise, so it has to be this short for sure. I actually don't mind it. I think she's a bit... Oh, Jesus Christ. My mom is definitely gonna hate me for this though. We'll see. But yeah, I have to do a cleanup quickly though. Like, be sure that everything is even. But yeah, that's pretty much it. More to come. I have not gotten dressed finished yet, so cannot show you the outfit before in 2 seconds.